So we have our stir sticks. You can use those to manipulate and make shapes or swirls, lines through the paint. And then using our special paper that has a color blocking technology in it, it's going to make those colors really pop and be super vibrant. They're very highly pigmented, so they're going to shine even more on this paper.
Wow.
Okay, now see here?
Yeah.
Good lesson. Water bubble, that.
Ah, okay.
So anytime you have a bubble, you're going to have a big white spot. Okay, but I would just cut that and use it. And then, because we did one pull, we'll just move these bubbles to the side, pop that one. And then you can just kind of move the color around. And then your second pull, because we already pulled a lot of the color up the first time, this is going to be lighter.
Yeah.
And the more you pull, the lighter it gets. Okay? This will last up to 5 days. So you can cover it, use it, even though it looks dirty. It's you just saw how bright that was, right?
Yeah.
And this is just clean water. Well, it's dirty water, but it's just water, so that you can rinse your paper off and then just lay it to dry.
I'm surprised about the 5 days.
Yes, you can. I have many times.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and then if you have a class or you're using it and you see that it's starting to get lower and lower, you can just add more of your mix. So I have a bucket here that has our magic medium and water mix, and I can just add it to this.
Okay.
Okay.
This is great.
Oh.